Thank you for joining me today on Homemaking with Mima. I'm in the process of doing some cooking in the kitchen, so I thought I'd stay upstairs, not do anything downstairs. These shelves, this is a spare bedroom. Our kids are grown up and moved out of the house, and so we did put a shelving unit in here. I don't have a lot of cabinet or cupboard space, so we had to do what we had to do. So we put up a shelving unit in here, and we've had this unit like this for it's been a long time. So anyway, it does need to be gone through. As you can see, it kind of is a catch-all. So I'm going to be going through this today, and then I'm also going to do some dusting. I've got a Swiffer. I'm going to dust the shelves and that really good, and we'll see what we can get done organizing it, see what we can get rid of, see what I can give to somebody, or see what I can keep. So I got the 2-step ladder because I am short. And I still have issues with reaching. And the spare bed works perfect for being a catch-all. And a lot of this is storage of cooking stuff. Just makes it easier for me to run into here to get it. Like I had mentioned earlier, we don't have a lot of cabinet space. So this is what we had to do. And I don't want to put it in the basement. It's just, I'm not running up and down the stairs if I don't need to. See, the bed works perfect. You can just throw it on there and it won't hurt it. Use the Swiffer and get some dusting done. because the KitchenAid is extremely heavy and I don't have room on my countertops to keep it out there all the time. So I do keep it in here, but I do keep it on a support. It just makes more sense. If I put it more in the center in between the two supports, eventually this shelf would bow. So keeping your heavy items on a support makes sense. Making sure there wasn't anything I can tuck there. Do I have a lot of things? Yes, I do. But I use just about absolutely everything that I have. Doing a project like this makes me know that, okay, I haven't used that in a long time. Like, good example is I haven't made deviled eggs forever. So, why keep it around? So I'm going to donate this to the thrift store. These are the items that I'm going to put into a different spot. That's a canning pan with its lid. I'm going to put that downstairs with the canning supplies. And the foil pans I'm just going to put into another area where I've got other storage. All of that's going to get recycled in plastic. And that is going to go to the thrift store. This is the other storage closet, and that's where I put those foil pans. This way up there. So that cleaning and organizing project is done. It still looks like it may be cluttered to you, but it's not to me. I have room to put some more things if I get them. Otherwise, it'll probably end up becoming a catch-all like it has before. But that's okay. I'd like to thank you for joining me today in this project. And if you like this content, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And you make it a great day.